To be his dog, I know it. That was it? Oh shit, wow. That was so quick.
Oh my gosh. You wanna know when the most recent Mega Man game was?
What, 1997?
October 2nd of 2018.
Oh, that's like crazy long ago. I thought Mega Man was like just not made or anything.
Well, it's still 7 years.
Hello?
Granted, that's about how long GD players waited for fucking 2.2.
Yeah. Sekiro Attack on Titan.
Why are you playing Misfire?
The wall.
Okay.
Right